In front of me is Nubia Pad 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Information and click on Add Contact under Emergency Contacts. Following that, tap on the contact that you wish to add and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To delete one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!